Niagara Falls, New York, the American side of the falls. I've been here before, but I have never been on the Maid of the Mist, going right up into the belly of the beast of the Horseshoe Falls. It's gonna get wet. I think it's gonna be awesome. Let's go. Like many magnificent natural wonders, there's a long line to see it. Luckily, it moved pretty fast.
Thank you.
All right, about to board the Maid of the Mist. Gotta have the classic Maid of the Mist poncho. How does it work? Come on, Niagara Falls, I'm ready for you. Aboard the Maid of the Mist to set out on our short journey to the falls. Fun. First up, the American and Bridal Falls. Less impressive than its horseshoe counterpart up the river, but still pretty damn cool. The American Falls! Woo! America! Falls! We head upriver towards the main event, with a quick wave to our Canadian friends along the way, and then we see it, the Horseshoe Falls. Well, I'm soaked and I'm stoked because that was awesome. Woo! Niagara Falls, the American side. I'd been here before, but I never truly appreciated it. She's not falling, I swear. I hadn't truly appreciated it until I got up close and personal and the Maid of the Mist. Got that falls in my hair, mist in my face. Again, not falling, she's fine.